India have recently garnered praise for its defense manufacturing capabilities around the world and have shown that Indian defense sector can stand up to its Atmanirbhar defense aspirations. Indian military used to be extremely dependent on imports of weapons, but Russia-Ukraine war, change in geopolitical landscape and cost of Western defense equipment have forced India for indigenous manufacturing of defense equipment. At first, everyone in defense sector was quite nervous about the success of indigenization of defense sector, but Indian Defense Ministry signaled go ahead to indigenization efforts of Indian military, banning several imports of equipment with import banning list. Indian government proceeded on to manufacture indigenous defense equipment with restrictions on foreign defense equipment. Then after it started to place orders of indigenous defense equipment. Acceptance of necessity for 43 DRDO developed systems have been accorded for induction in the services during the last 3 years. During the last 3 financial years, contracts have been signed for capital procurement of defense equipment, out of which 100 contracts, accounting for 87% of total contract value, have been signed with Indian vendors for capital procurement of defense equipment. Recently, DSC headed by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has given its go-ahead for the procurement of 97 more Tejas Mk1A fighter jets from Indian Air Force and 156 more light combat helicopter Prachand that were inducted last year. As India excels at manufacturing defense equipment, its first signal of India becoming military superpower in near future. While India possesses the world's third largest active military force and boasts a growing defense industry, its military infrastructure is aging and needs modernization. India's lack of recent combat experience and challenges in modernizing its military infrastructure hinder its ability to project power effectively. Nevertheless, India remains a rising military power with potential to become a military superpower provided it addresses these challenges and continues to invest in its armed forces. India's journey towards military superpower status is a complex one, marked by both strengths and challenges. By addressing its infrastructure and experience shortcomings, India can harness its potential and establish itself as dominant force in the world military might.